Here in my garage with a new Yamaha I just bought. It's fun to drive in the Calibogue Hills. So I just bought a Yamaha R1 because, why not? And I just started putting it all back together. I've got the fuel pump put on. I put the fuel tank on top of it, put a little bit of fresh fuel in it. The biggest pain was putting the wiring harness all back together. When I got it, it had been stripped down to an engine with the frame and 2 tires attached to it. Previous lad wanted to turbocharge it, make some fun out of it. Too bad I didn't get a chance to, but I'm pretty happy I have it now. Anyways, I finally got it put back together enough that it will turn over, and I want to share that moment with you now because I want to get this thing running. Let's hear it. Almost there. Almost biting. Ooh. Oh. Come on. No dice. This battery's dead. I'm going to swap out for another one. Okay, fresh battery. Let's try this now. Ooh. Wants to. Oh, so close. Well, got it running. That sounded pretty cool.
You're watching Bogey Wheels.